What's up, online shoppers? Have you ever heard of a hydrogen water bottle? Well, this one here is a hydrogen water bottle and they are becoming all the rage. So I thought I'd check it out. Let's open up the box and see what's inside. The box itself is really cool. It's a magnetic closure and here is the water bottle right there. Let's take it out of the box. Now this hydrogen water bottle is fully rechargeable. People are going to the store and buying alkaline water. However, you can make your own right at home with one of these hydrogen water bottles. So easily enough, you just unscrew the lid. It's got a nice little gasket in there, really beautiful, clear glass container, and underneath here in the bottom is your hydrogen activator. You have a power button. The light at the bottom shows you that it's working, and then you shut it off. Basically what happens when you put water in here, the activator at the bottom is going to separate the hydrogen from the oxygen. Now it's not going to stay hydrogen water for long because it is going to revert back to water. I personally am looking forward to enjoying the benefits of hydrogen water, so do your research and find out why this is a really great option to add into your daily water intake. One of the recommendations for making good hydrogen water is that you use water that is high in minerals, because having a high concentration of minerals actually increases the electrolysis effect on the water. The main reason why I chose this particular hydrogen water generator bottle is it's made with high quality construction. This is borosilicate glass, which is the highest quality glass for drinking and food preparation. It's got a very handy charger, which will plug into a wall or a power bank if you don't have access to an outlet. This hydrogen water generator bottle is going to produce an 8-ounce drink, and that's a practical amount for a drink. With this particular hydrogen water generator, you can choose between a 3 or a 5-minute electrolysis cycle, and with the 8-ounce volume that's produced, that's a really practical amount of time and water available to drink, and that was one of the main reasons I chose this particular hydrogen water generator bottle. Let's see what it looks like in action. I've filled the water up, now let's see it in action. I'm just going to screw on the cap like that, and our power button is right here. Turn it on, and you can immediately see the bubbles starting to come up from the bottom. This is actually super cool. I love what the blue light does. That's really cool. You can definitely see the bubbles being created and pushed up to the top. There's a close-up of all the bubbles being formed. Really cool. You can see that the light just shut off. That means that it has created the volume of water as hydrogen water, and it's ready for you to drink. I'm really impressed with the quality of this little hydrogen water generator bottle. I'm looking forward to enjoying the benefits of my own hydrogen water created right here on my countertop. I think this is definitely going to be a family favorite at my house. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.